So, get ready, because Google just dropped the final piece of the Pixel 10 puzzle, and it's a showstopper. Meet the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the boldest, most premium foldable Google has ever built. After giving us official renders of the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and the supersized Pixel 10 Pro XL earlier this week, Google's folding flagship is here to steal the spotlight, and trust me, it's not playing safe this time. Forget the old school obsidian and porcelain. This year, Google's giving the Pixel 10 Pro Fold a serious style glow-up with Jade and Moonstone, two stunning new color options that scream personality. Moonstone is this slick slate blue shade with a slightly lighter frame, adding just the right amount of contrast. It looks clean, sharp, and yes, probably a fingerprint magnet, thanks to that glossy finish. Jade, on the other hand, leans into a softer, pistachio green with a muted gold frame. Think of it as the love child of lemongrass and hazel from the Pixel 7 lineup, modern, playful, and elegant. And while the changes might look mostly cosmetic at first glance, Google has made some thoughtful refinements under the hood. The outer display has grown ever so slightly from 6.3 to 6.4 inches. Doesn't sound like much? Well, thinner bezels and a tighter hinge make this thing feel more compact and usable without sacrificing screen real estate. It's a small but meaningful tweak that makes daily use more seamless. Powering the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the all-new Tensor G5 chip, manufactured by TSMC using its advanced 3nm N3E process. This upgrade should bring better thermals, improved efficiency, and smoother AI performance across the board, something Google's been doubling down on lately. The massive 5015 mAh battery, that's the biggest ever in a foldable phone sold in North America, and about 8% larger than last year's Pixel Fold. Paired with the more efficient Tensor G5, this thing might actually be able to go the distance. Charging is also getting a slight bump. You'll get 23 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless with Qi 2 support. It's not breaking records, but it's definitely a welcome upgrade, especially in a foldable where battery life usually takes a hit. So, while the Pixel 10 Pro Fold isn't reinventing the wheel, it's doing something just as important, refining every key detail and wrapping it all in a premium, head-turning design. If you've been on the fence about foldables, this might be the one that finally wins you over. Google's folding game just got serious, and the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is leading the charge. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 10 Pro Fold? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.